I am Clare Saunders, Associate Professor in Environmental Politics in the Environment and Sustainability Institute. Teaching-wise, I teach the politics of protest, and I get students to analyse a data set that we collected by going out and handing surveys to protesters and collecting them back, so students learn about how to do research methods. One of the pieces of research I've done recently is about how people network with environmental organisations and what effect that has on the way they use energy in their homes. And we've shown that people who share memberships of lots of environmental organisations with other people tend to use less energy in their homes than people who do not share memberships in environmental organisations. Another significant part of my work is on protest, and one of the pieces of work I've been doing is in relation to the course I teach on protest politics, where we've shown that protest is not like some people think that protesters are people who maybe are slightly irrational or people who can't be bothered to engage with formal politics. But we've shown that the stalwarts, the people that engage in protest the most, are actually quite often people who are engaged in formal politics as well. Some of the work, as I've already said, is around shaping pro-environmental behaviours, and I've began doing some work on Cornish textiles and sustainable fashion. And in October just gone, we ran a big symposium here and we invited local Cornish textile industries along to talk about the challenges of making the textile industry sustainable in Cornwall. And I want to tie that into a broader project about how we might encourage people to wear more pro-environmentally friendly clothing, to stop buying so many fashion items and then discarding them and throwing them away. Oh, the ESI is an amazing place to work because I find myself in this office next to an ecologist on one side and a geographer on the other side, and I'm a political scientist, so that means we can share ideas.